Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of Gemini. We'll go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini app and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store and then you can search about the application of Gemini. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.